Do you want to make lots of money and you don't care how? Then listen in. Here are 5 unethical ways to make money, either for you to generate income or for you to spot these methods for yourself and not fall for them. Method 1. Local businesses. You'd think that most businesses these days would have social media accounts on platforms like Instagram, but the truth is they actually don't. Or if they do, they are poorly set up with infrequent posts and poorly taken pictures. What you can do is hop onto Google Maps and pick a business range, and there are simply hundreds to choose from. Maybe you could look up local barbershops for instance, have a look through their socials or if they have any at all, and then drop them an email or a visit in person, explaining how you'll design and set up social media accounts for them for as little as $40. Might not sound like much, but generate a quick logo using AI and make a universal border for all of their future posts, and the only work you've really done is make an actual email address for the account. If you repeat this 4 or 5 times a day for different businesses, you could be making up to $200 a day, which is $5,600 a month or $67,000 a year. It's really that simple. Method 2. Email newsletters. Create a social media account on Instagram and or TikTok and aim it at a niche target audience. Could be skincare for older women, could be how to eat healthfully or how to bulk up fast as a young man. Then once you've got a small following, you can use sites like Gumroad to sell PDF files with newsletters, exclusive tips and direct methods to help whatever it is your topic is about. Price each between $20 and $30, and if you only get 50 people per month, you'll be making an extra $1,000 a month. If you do this for multiple different niches and still only get 50 people per account, then you'll be looking at a minimum of around $10,000 every 4 weeks. Method 3. Facebook groups. Using Gumroad or other PDF selling sites, create a small 10-page document with 10 tips to a 6-figure salary as a single mum. Best thing is, you can use ChatGPT to write it all for you, and just make it look nicer on sites like Canva. Then what you can do is join different Facebook groups acting as a single mother and promote the product, pretending that it's something you found online and has worked for you. Repeat this for different target audiences and you could be earning up to $3,000 a week. Method 4. Trend shopping. Watch out on platforms like TikTok for the latest trends, whether it's Barbenheimer or some other new trend. Hop onto an AI design site or make artwork for whatever it is yourself. Then go to Printify and sell shirts, hoodies and mugs with the on-trend viral designs. Link it up to Etsy and you could be making thousands per day. Someone already did this method with Barbenheimer and made a turnover of $7,000 per day. Hop from one trend to another and you could be getting hundreds of thousands in payments. If you want more videos like this, by the way, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Also, if you want direct how-to guides and links to free sites to how to pull off each and every one of these methods, check the link in the description for an exclusive document with in-depth tutorials and links for how you can pull all of these 5 methods off for free. Method 5. Website design. Similar to method 1, find a business without a site and explain that you will build them a site for just $200. Then using Upwork, hire someone to build it for anywhere between $50 and $100 and then repeat 2 or 3 times in a day. Remember, these methods can make you big money if you act fast. Good luck and subscribe for a future video to see 5 more ways to make easy and quick money.